If you spend a lot of time reading PDF files, enabling dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode, customize the appearance, and switch back whenever you want. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows or Mac computer. Wait for the application to fully load before changing any appearance settings. Next, open the application menu and navigate to the appearance or theme settings. Depending on your version of Acrobat Reader, you may find this option under the View menu, the menu icon, or inside Preferences. Select the dark theme, or choose Use System Settings if you want Adobe Acrobat Reader to match your computer's dark mode automatically. The interface should update immediately or after restarting the application. If you also want PDF pages to appear darker instead of only the application interface, open Preferences, choose Accessibility, and adjust the document color options. This can make reading more comfortable during long sessions. Open any PDF document to make sure the theme looks the way you want. So if needed, you can return to the settings and switch back to the light theme or adjust the accessibility colors. And that's how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you prefer a darker interface or improved reading comfort, you can customize the appearance in just a few steps. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and thanks for watching.